Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp language. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, open your WhatsApp app and then press up on the menu button. Then guys, press on settings. And then guys, scroll right here to app language. Press on app language. Make sure I press on app language. And then you can take a look. There are several languages and you can choose to change to another language depending on what you want. So that's how you can change your WhatsApp language. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.